Hi guys, welcome back to what will hopefully be the last last part of this of the enemy the basic fighting. Right, now we're going to look at leveling up. I've written out the script because it just be pointless doing writing up live. So I'll go through it all. What we're doing is, if we're checking to see if the new experience that we calculate here is equal to or greater than the total experience. If it is, we want to level up. We then adjust the new experience to equal the current value of the new experience minus the user's total experience. We do this to reset the new experience. We're then going to calculate the new stats. We've got a new HP, new strength, new defense, and new total experience. All we're doing with these is we're increasing them by a certain percentage. HP is going to be our current user's HP plus 15%, and we work that out by doing user's HP times 0.15, and that'll give us 15% extra. Now, with strength and defense, we're going to add 10%. So that's the same process. We've got the user's strength and defense plus the user's, this would be strength, or the user's defense. We times it by 0.1, and that'll give us 10%. Again with the new total experience, but this time we're timesing it by 0.5, which will give us 50% extra. And in the query, we're just updating the player's table and setting the current experience, total experience, HP, strength, defense, and then we're adding 1 onto the user's level, because obviously they increase the level, where the user ID equals the session user ID. So we want to execute that query, and we also want to echo out a message saying congratulations, you have gained a level. So to test this out, what we'll do is we'll go back over to our database and we'll boost up the current experience to 99. So we only need 1 experience in order to level up. So we'll go to fight, and we're fighting the blue blob. So we'll attack, and then we'll keep attacking until we kill him. Now, as you can see, I know one thing I should have altered was the user's maximum HP rather than their HP before we go ahead and do this. Our current HP is 50, strength and defense is 10, our level is 1, and experience is total is 100. So our HP will add 15%, which it should take us up to about 57%. And what we'll do on here is we'll just round this up. So the strength and defense should go up to 11, and our experience should go up to 150. So attack, and it says you killed him, you gained 5 experience. We should now be starting off on 4 experience out of 150. It says congratulations, you've gained a level. Back to the main page. So level 2. And the HP's been worked out wrong. Okay, I'll have to have a look at that one in a second. Right, strength is now 11, and so is defense. Experience is 4 out of 150. I'm going to have a quick look into why HP has gone down rather than up. Okay, the reason it was going down rather than up was because we was actually referring to the user's current HP, and if obviously you're being attacked, then your HP's not going to be at its maximum HP. So now that's sorted, that would have gone up to 58 on your HP. So we will alter this. It should be 58, not 48. Okay, so we'll go again, we'll do it again, and we'll say 149. Where am I going? Right. Again. Gained 10 experience, congratulations, we've gained a level back. And as you can see, our HP has gone up. And our strength of defense has gone up. So you can see here, everything's increasing nicely. Right, so that's the leveling complete. Now what we want to do is we want to just alter some of the pages to force us over to the fight .php page if we are currently in a fight. So we'll use this little check we've done at the top here, and we'll call this function check fight. We want to include our connection variable. And again, if we return less than 1 row, it means we're not in a fight, so we can return false. Else we want to return true because we will actually be in a fight. So we can grab that check fight and we can go to play, add this up here. If check fight equals true, then we want to header this off to the fight.php page, and we want to do the same on hunt, and this is to stop people breaking out of a fight midway through and cheating. So we'll come back over here. Currently we're not in a fight, So we can go hunting, we can come back to the play.php page. Now if we go into a fight, we've started up a fight. Now I try and change this to play.php and we get instantly sent back to the fight page because we are in a fight. So we'll kill this off, we'll kill the enemy, gained 5 experience, and go back to the main page, and we're free to again start playing the game. So that's it for this this section. Next, I've added in another part here. I've changed looking at setting up the equipment to part 5, and I've changed part 4 into looking into a player's inventory. We're going to be adding stats to items, and we're going to use items to heal ourselves and then dispose of the items. After that, we'll then roll on to part 5 nicely, because we'll have set up stats on items ready to be to create our equipment page. So I'll leave you there. And so before I go, if you've got any suggestions on what you'd like to see something done on one of these tutorials, maybe after we do part 5 we've got to start thinking about what else we'll include. Currently I've got shops and locations as a possibility. If you have something in mind that you'd like to see, head over to Tapt-In.net and just go to the forums. Under the white label tutorials section there's a post called white label suggestions. Just post a reply telling us what you'd like to see, and like it says on the post here, your idea might be included in one of the tutorials. So until next time, I'll see you soon.